everyone. I'm Ian Santamaria of Shanaya's Bake Shop, more on cakes and pastries here in Manila. I started as a mentor year 2022, and before that I was a mentees also. TI Go Negosyo KMME batch 2 of year 2018. I still remember na when after pandemic, talaga maraming mga MSME na nangangailangan ng tulong, especially for coaching or mentoring, how they can start up, how they can recover yung kanilang negosyo. Same with us, as a mentor, sharing our experience, our expertise, how we can prepare our business continuity plan. Those are one of my memorable, that I learned as a mentor, being a resilient, as a business owner, talagang marami kang pagdadaanan. So, that memorable gave us an opportunity to share to others. Sabi ko, marikindle yung kanilang entrepreneur spirit, pagpatuloy sa kanilang pagninegosyo, kung ano mga challenges sa pinagdadaanan nila, ayun lang. Sabi nga, padayon lang. Sa negosyo, everyone is inviting, especially the business owners, to share their talents, their time. Sabi nga, ito ay para sa bayan, tinutulungan natin mga kapwa natin, mga MSME, kasi 90%, backbone ng government is still the MSME. Sir Joey Concepcion, thank you so much for dedication, for unwilling o walang kapaguran ng hard work, being an example to us. Kita ko yung kanyang kasipagan talaga, yung kanyang humbleness. And thank you for being a good example to every Filipino.